Hello, students. Let's begin with oil control rings. In most reciprocating compressors, oil control rings prevent crankcase oil from entering the cylinder. In some cases, they also prevent condensate in cylinder or packing lubricant from flowing back into the crankcase. In Crosshead engines, this control is achieved using piston rod control or wiper rings. These rings contain the crankcase oil, regulate how much oil enters the cylinder and the gas stream, and prevent the mixture of gases and cylinder oil from reaching the crankcase. This is important because such a mixture can damage bearings and other running gear components. Segmental wiper rings can be either radially or tangentially cut and are actuated by a garter spring. The scraper edges contact the piston rod with enough force to break the oil film and wipe it away efficiently. There are two main types of control or wiper rings. One type turns back a large volume of oil along the rod. The other type has drainage passages, allowing wiped oil to drain into an annular area and return to the crankcase. Typically, 2 or 3 wipers are used in combination with a pressure packing to ensure effective oil control. Next, we have mechanical packing. Mechanical packing is widely used in reciprocating liquid pumps. Its advantages include no external adjustment, minimal plunger wear, and reduced power consumption. The materials for packing rings are selected based on the fluid being handled, the mating material of the plunger, temperature, and pressure. Common materials include cast iron for low-pressure steam, air, or gases, requires proper lubrication. Bronze, used in high-pressure compressors, good heat conductivity and resists scuffing. Laminated phenolics offer chemical resistance and perform well in adverse lubrication conditions. Babbitt, used on stainless steel rods in corrosive environments, must be clean gases. Carbon graphite, self-lubricating, high temperature, and corrosion resistance, suitable for non-lubricated service. Plastics, TFE, polyamides, and polyimides are self-lubricating, chemically resistant, and conformable, reducing break-in time. Selection of packing or gasket materials depends on temperature, pressure, corrosive nature of the fluid, maintenance requirements, environmental regulations, and cost. Mechanical packing provides a reliable seal with long service life when properly selected and installed. Finally, let's discuss packed gland seals. Packed gland seals are used to seal around reciprocating or rotating shafts. A malleable packing compound is forced into place using an adjustable packing nut, allowing the seal to be tightened according to operating conditions and adjusted for wear over time. These seals are widely used in valves, pumps, and soot blowers. The packing must fill the annular space between the box and the shaft, coming close without excessive contact to restrict leakage efficiently. Operation and maintenance are critical. Controlled leakage is required for lubrication, typically about 10 drops per minute under normal conditions. Service life ranges from 1 to 2 years, but poor water quality, sediments, or overheating can reduce it. Proper installation is crucial. Cut or pre-cut rings, staggered joints, square entry into the box, and gradual tightening of the packing nut to seat the packing evenly. Advantages of packed gland seals: lower initial cost, simple selection, installation, and maintenance. Disadvantages: requires a small amount of leakage for lubrication, unsuitable for toxic or flammable liquids. Multiple rings may be needed, leading to longer stuffing boxes and higher shaft deflection. Wear occurs faster, requiring more frequent replacement. Packed gland seals are still widely used where controlled maintenance and proper lubrication are possible, especially in long-coupled or bed-mounted pump arrangements. So, let's end this session with a small note. Oil control rings manage oil flow in compressors and crosshead engines. Mechanical packing provides reliable sealing in reciprocating pumps with suitable materials for the application. Packed gland seals offer adjustable sealing around shafts, with advantages in simplicity and cost, but require careful maintenance. Understanding these 3 systems is crucial for anyone working with pumps, compressors, or industrial machinery. Thank you. Have a great day.